Once you have your paper folded into eighths, then you're going to choose your numbers that hopefully should have some sort of kind of secret hitting meaning to you. I'm going to do 2018 and 2020 for the years that my kids were born. And when you're tracing your number onto your paper, remember only one number goes in each rectangle. So if I want to do the number 20, I would just do a 2 here and a 0 next to it. Be sure that before you start tracing, you have your number going the correct direction. So that one is backwards. And some kids also kind of get tricked up by the 4. So the 4 should look like this. If you have a shape, or I should say a number, that has kind of this inside negative space, be sure to trace around the outside of the number as well as the inside. And every rectangle should have its own number. Once you finish tracing all your numbers, then you are going to make sure that your name and your class code is on the back. And once those two things are written, then you will work on your color wheel worksheet. Now for this, you're going to notice that the basket of colored pencils that I give you today, you only get the primaries and the secondaries. So you're going to have to mix to make these tertiary or intermediate colors. So you're basically going to be layering 2 colors together. So if I'm working on this one, I might take my blue. When you color, you don't have to color super hard. You do want to do it neatly. I'm going a little bit quickly, but you're going to color it in. And then in the triangle shape, that's your tertiary color. And you'll notice that the name of the color has the primary first and then the secondary. So I'm going to be blending blue and green together in this shape here. I'm going to layer a little bit of blue. And then I'll layer a little bit of my secondary color, which is green, on top. And when I layer those 2 colors together, I kind of get that intermediate or tertiary color. Not quite blue, not quite green, kind of a bluish green. And you made that by layering these 2 colors together. You are going to keep working until you complete the color wheel. Once you've completed your color wheel, then you're going to start thinking about your final painting. On this very first day, you are going to list out which of the tertiary colors are you going to kind of try to create today. So on my paper today, I'm going to work with yellow green. I then think I want to create maybe yellow orange. And then I'm probably going to try to create blue-green. So write down kind of which of the tertiary colors you're going to use with your painting.